I love going to flea markets and thrift stores. And recently, when I was at one, I saw this old 80s, 90s style pizza cutter with this old plastic handle, the kind that's, well, close to not rotting away, but it's at least deteriorated in the material quality, which is fine, and which is why it's there in a bargain bin for 5 Danish kroners, or maybe equivalent to $1, less than a euro. It's just, yeah, well, it's cheap. But I don't want the plastic handle because well, don't like it, the whole style of it. But inside it, there's hardware I can make into a nicer one. So please enjoy the process of me upgrading, upcycling, recycling this old pizza cutter into a nice wooden pizza cutter handle made of you. Have an amazing day.